This one's a little bit tricky because some students have some severe difficulties with this, but it bears going into a bit. A conditional statement is a proposition of the form if P then Q and is represented symbolically by the connective if then is called a conditional connective, the proposition P the hypothesis, and the proposition Q the conclusion. Here's the important part. A conditional statement is false if the hypothesis is true and the conclusion is false. It is true in all other cases. So what that means is the only way for a conditional statement to be false is if you meet your condition, if your hypothesis is met, you met a certain condition, okay? If this is false, then it's false. Otherwise, if they're both true, it's a true statement. If the hypothesis is false, then we automatically say it's a true statement because we're not expecting any particular outcome. If I'm not meeting a precondition, I'm not expecting an outcome. The outcome is happening due to chance, and therefore it's still a true statement. So basically, if I'm looking for the truth table for this, if I would do the truth table for P then Q, then what I'm going to say is, okay, well, here's P, here's Q, and true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. P then Q would be, okay, well, here P is true, Q is true, so this is a true statement. Here, P is true, Q is false, this would be false. And then for these other two, since the hypothesis P, the left side of this, is false, it's automatically true. And that would be the truth table for it. Some students, think it's the other way around. They think it's they confuse this with this, and it's not the same thing. And it's certainly not the same thing as this. So be careful with that one.